Senate President Cheese Escudero maintains that Philippine sovereignty was not compromised following the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte to the International Criminal Court. In a forum on Wednesday, March 26, Escudero emphasizes that under existing laws, individuals accused of crimes against humanity can be brought before the International Criminal Court.
Una, mga Pilipino ang nagsampa ng kaso sa ICC, hindi mga dayuhan. Pilipino rin ang nagdesisyon. Sabi nga ni Secretary Remulla, hindi ba, na gawin ito. Wala namang dayuhang nang himasok doon. Wala namang pending na kaso dito laban kay dating Pangulong Duterte para sabihin mong tinanggalan natin ng jurisdiction yung Pilipinong huwes na magpasya sa kasong ito at pinasa natin sa dayuhan dahil nga walang pending case.
Escudero says the country's sovereignty was not compromised even after the former president was arrested and brought under the custody of the ICC. In the case of Duterte, Escudero says it was the victims' families that had chosen the venue to meet their desired justice.
So, wala akong nakikitang pag-agaw, ika nga, ng jurisdiksyon ng korte sa Pilipinas kaugnay sa isyu at bagay na ito. At sang-ayon sa batas din na umiirol sa atin, na sinight din naman sa hearing, pwedeng dalhin ang sino mang akusado, Pilipino man o dayuhan, sa International Court kaugnay ng crimes against humanity ng mga individual. Yan ay batas pa rin na umiiral sa ating bansa. Lalo na kung wala namang kasong dinidinig dito at wala namang pending na kaso dito laban sa kanya.
The former president was arrested on March 11, 2025 at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport upon his return from Hong Kong. The arrest was based on a warrant issued by the ICC charging him with crimes against humanity related to his anti-drug campaign during his presidency.